Hey guys, how's it going? All right, so this is our Week 10 overview video. Welcome to Week 10. I hope you had a good weekend. As you'll notice here, I've already posted a few videos. Wow, I apologize, it's freezing in here in my office. So make sure that you watch those. It's really good, excellent post this weekend. Really good discussion. It was really engaging with the material. Really happy, super happy with what I am reading that you are writing. It's excellent. So I want to talk about this week, things to think about. So let's get right to it here. All right, so progress reports, professional genres we're talking about this week. So far, of course, obviously this will be one of the videos up there, but please watch the two-part series. Feedback really starts to get us thinking about audience and purpose. A lot of the comments that you made this week were excellent concerning those and the things that you're picking out in this class. So kudos to everyone. It was really good. I enjoyed reading those. So let's talk about this week again, right? So we're talking about this reading here, the Hinz chapter 14, what do technical communicators need to know about genre? Solving problems in technical communication is where it comes out of, and it's an excellent chapter. Anyway, so it's available on Blackboard, and so let's see if we can get a, so when you go to your Blackboard, when you go to your Blackboard, depending on your class, obviously, will show up here. And you'll see this new tab I've got here, Readings and Samples, right here. And so when you click on it, you'll see the Hinz reading, and then you also see the Project 3A sample formatting example, right? Sample from the video from last week. So, and I'll perhaps maybe put that video in here too, so you can see that as well. So there'll be 4 videos perhaps in here. And I'll relink maybe to that video. Read that. Chapter 14 is about genre. We're really going to talk about genre this week. Discussion post will be talking about genre and how we're going to kind of think about that this week. So, so I'll make sure, if you haven't already, read the Project 3A, which is the collaborative research proposal that was due Sunday night. That's now due this coming Sunday. It was due yesterday, and now it's due this Sunday. Excuse me. So you have a discussion post due on Friday, and then replies due on Sunday. And you have the collaborative research proposal due on Sunday. However, since you're working on the collaborative research proposal this week, I'll probably just make it where you just have one post maybe due this week. So I'll put that together and get that to you. So again, I do want to say a few things about the genre reading that you will be looking at this week. And I would really like you to take note of, as I put myself back here in the middle, I really want you to take note of the fact, really pay attention to what he's saying about genre, and especially what I call its adaptability, which kind of spoke a lot to, when you watch the part 1 and part 2 videos, we talk about some of the questions this week had to do with, well, what about this one thing that we're doing, and how do we then take it, and we talked about like in our everyday lives, or taking outside of maybe even, how we're learning about it in this class. We also think about how we take that not only to our other workplaces, because not the same memo will be the same, not the same report will be the same in every single place that you go to. There's certain adaptability to it, and that's really what Hinz is talking about when he talks about 4 characteristics, right, of genre that you'll read about, as well as the different ways genre is presented and how genre kind of works. Not only in the workplace, but just we can even extrapolate those into other areas, right? Even some of the questions that you guys had this week, they were really good about. What about in media? And what about using it in everyday life, etc. We can think about its adaptability. We can talk about its forms, its features. We talk about typified rhetorical actions, regular things that we maybe see, but those things are also adaptable. They also evolve. Every single, usually technical document is usually a lot of times responding to something at a particular purpose, and then also is eliciting a certain response back from somebody. And then we employ and use all the things that we're learning in this class as far as exactly what technical communication is, at least as Markel presents it to us, right? And his definition, which I love this definition because it's kind of one of those things that allows us to think about technical communication in so many different ways, and forms and contents and formats. Technical communication encompasses a set of activities, set of activities that people do to discover, shape, and transmit information. So what are the activities we go through when thinking about sitting to do something in a technical communication, writing a technical communication piece, or participating in technical communication, which are all very interesting aspects. So really read that piece close, and I'll get the discussion post out to you very, very soon. All right. That's it for me for now, I think. So thank you for watching, as always. Enjoy watching the feedback videos. I really enjoyed reading everything that you guys wrote and replied to each other. Excellent discussions this week. All right, thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now. Take care, guys. You guys are awesome. Bye.